Hi, my name is Rachel Hansen. I'm the Public Information Officer at Cascade Medical, and this guy is Harold. He's our resident teddy bear, and I'll tell you about him in a minute. But first, the week in review at your local medical center. In total, we've had 79 tests go out, 69 have come back negative, and 4 are pending. Our only 2 positive cases were 2 weeks ago. So we're advocating every day for more testing kits, and we're researching different kinds of testing, but for now the supply is limited and we're still having to test based on current Department of Health recommendations. So we know that COVID-19 is still circulating in the Upper Valley. We're seeing an average of 3 patients a day with respiratory symptoms, and that has stayed steady and manageable. And we have you to thank for that. So by staying home and taking precautions, you've really made a difference for our folks on the front lines. So from all of us at Cascade Medical, thank you for staying home, for staying safe, and for staying healthy. The CDC is now recommending that everyone wear masks while out in public. And I just want to invite you, if you want a homemade mask, call our friends at the Leavenworth Quilt Company. There is a local army of crafters that have donated these handmade masks and gowns, and this community is amazing. Leavenworth Quilt Company has graciously agreed to run point on that, and their number is 888-8807. So that's 888-8807. So let me introduce you to Harold. He's gonna hang out in our front lobby window as part of the Great Upper Valley Teddy Bear Hunt. The idea is to give families a fun outing where they can cruise around local neighborhoods and try to find as many teddy bears as they possibly can in people's gardens, porches, or car windows. It's fun and it brings the community together and it honors social distancing. So if you have a teddy bear at your house, thank you. Post a picture on their Facebook page. It's called the Great Upper Valley Teddy Bear Hunt, and you can wave to Harold.